everyone, Nerdy Hillbilly here, and today the weird food combination has changed up a bit. Today I am doing an omelet. So I went on to one of my messaging groups and I said, guys, pick 3 items, put it in an omelet. It can be good, it can be weird, whatever. And of course, after we got done with all the jokes of what you could put on an omelet, 3 items were picked. We have Spam with cottage cheese and Swiss roll. I got the greatest friends on earth, don't I, guys? Alright, let's grab something with a little bit of everything on it. The Swiss roll is probably what's going to do me in, so thanks, Mr. David Marshall. And a second bite to make sure. Oh my God. That is delicious. Holy crap. Why is this good? Guys, why is this good? Why does this taste good? Okay, so egg, cheese, cottage cheese, Swiss roll, mock Spam. It's delicious. Holy shit. So, for this omelet, I would give this a 8.5 out of 10. This is amazing. Why, though? Why are you amazing? Tell me why! Hey, if y'all like this video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and hit the notification bell if you want to see any new Nerdy Hillbilly videos. And I will see y'all later. Bye! And don't forget to get your Nerdy Hillbilly merch at Chaos and Class Designs.